Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have Chrome open, now find the link you want. If it's in a text or document, highlight and copy it so you don't mistype. On a web page, hover to confirm the URL preview shows where it goes. Once done, choose your initial action. Left-click to open in the same tab, middle-click or Control/CMD plus click to open in a new tab, or right-click to reveal more options. This gets you moving without unnecessary setup. You'll pick a method based on how you want to browse. If you want to replace the current page, left-click normally. If you prefer keeping your place, press Control on Windows or CMD on Mac and click, or use the mouse wheel button to open a new tab. Right-click gives more control. Choose Open in New Window, New Tab, or copy the link address to paste later. Make sure pop-up blockers aren't interfering if the link should open a separate window. After choosing how to open the link, confirm the page loads and content appears. If you pasted the URL into the Omnibox, press Enter and wait for the site to render. Use ESC to stop if it hangs. Make sure you look at the new tab or window for successful loading. If nothing happens, check Chrome's pop-up blocker and extensions that may block redirects. As a quick fix, copy the link again and paste it directly into the Omnibox to retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.